Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to set up OPC UA communication between Schneider PLC and Emerson SCADA software Movicon.NExT. Let's get started. First, we create a PLC program project. Is echo structure control expert. Okay, just the start button, stop button. Is light on, is just 5 seconds, or is 5 seconds on off. Okay, so we just display is variable 1, variable 2. Okay, now we use echo structure OPC UA exporter to communication. Okay, in here. Okay, now we here is OPC UA service exporter. Okay, now we start Movicon.NExT. Create new project. Connect here, advanced project weather. We choose local project. Okay, name Schneider OPC UA. Okay, next. In here, screen number we choose 1. Okay, in here, screen size we choose 700. Okay, white height is 700. Is green is color. In here is we choose blue. Okay, next. That's it. Finish. Okay, then we go to IO data service. Go down, you can see the driver. We double click driver. Okay, right click, add a new driver. You can see in here is OPC UA client. That's it. Just the default keep is channel 0. Okay, is station 0, channel 0. That's it. Then go to the tag list. We double click. We create a new tag. First one is the start button. Okay, then go to execution. Go to the physical I/O address. Double click this 3 dot. Okay, then is the item. Double click here. You can see in here add endpoint. Okay, in this one, echo structure OPC UA service export. Copy. Okay. In here you can see in here is plug is OPC TCP endpoint. Okay, double click here. Is anyway, yes. You can see in here is communication, is connection already to the OPC UA. Okay, go here, DA, test. This is my PLC program. Okay, test. You can see in here all of the stuff. We choose start, but start is the tag. Okay, in here station, we choose station 0. That's it. Second one, stop. Is similar. Go to here. Go to here. Is choose stop. Okay. Light. Okay. Is variable. Is variable 1. Is variable 2. Okay. Now we just configuration this the screen. Okay. Double click. This one Schneider OPC UA is my project name. Go to here. Go to project startup. Start page type. We choose main. Okay, main screen. Start up screen name. We choose screen 1. Okay, that's it. Then go to screen. Go to the property. Go to the style. Make sure this Windows state it should be normal. Okay, not maximum. If you're maximum, if you're testing, just cover for the screen, but you can't control. Now we start the screen. Let me see. Yeah. We go to toolbox. We choose button. No. We create a new one to copy. is the button, is the light or display. Okay, display to display. Copy is paste. Okay, the light okay, that's it. Now we start configure this the item. First is button. Go to here. Is tiger. We choose start. Is name text start. Go to the command. Go to the type value. Is tiger first tiger is still this one. Okay, start. Is the value to site is 1. Okay, is common type. We choose toggle. Okay, that's it. Second one is a tiger. Is a stop. Stop. Still go to the command. Go to the type. Go to here is tiger. Still stop. Is the value to site is 1. Is common type. We choose toggle. Okay, that's it. Now is a display variable 1. We can drag type is variable 2. Look here. Drag and drop. We can check in here variable 2. Okay, that's it. Then is light. We can still use light. Double click. Is light. So is background color. We can change it. Green. Okay, that's it. Now we can try start the runtime. Save. Okay, now we can test. Look, start. No, it's running. After 5 seconds, here is a stop. Okay, it's on off. Okay. We can stop. Okay. We can start again. This is right again. Okay, stop. That's it. Okay. Today I just show you how to set up PLC communication. Movicon.NExT. Okay, thank you very much.